Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that's as important as it is often overlooked: the role of flexibility and adaptability in achieving work-life balance. It's like being a skilled surfer, riding the waves of life with grace and agility. Let's explore how being flexible and adaptable can help you maintain balance in this ever-changing world. Flexibility, the key to balance. Understanding flexibility. Think of flexibility as your ability to bend without breaking. It's about being open to change and willing to adjust your plans and expectations. It's like having a plan B, C, and even D. Flexible scheduling. This could mean starting your workday earlier or later, depending on what else is going on in your life. It's like choosing the path you walk through a garden. The destination is the same, but the route you take can vary. Adaptability. Navigating life's changes. What does it mean to be adaptable? Adaptability is about how you respond to change. It's the ability to adjust your approach or thinking in response to new situations. It's like a tree swaying in the wind. It moves with the forces around it, but remains rooted. Embracing change. See change as an opportunity, not a threat. Whether it's a new job role, a shift in personal responsibilities, or unexpected challenges, approach each with a problem-solving mindset. Tips for flexibility and adaptability. Set realistic expectations. Understand that not everything will go as planned. Be prepared to adjust your expectations accordingly. It's like setting out on a road trip with the understanding that there might be detours. Develop a growth mindset. Cultivate a mindset that welcomes growth and learning. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities to grow, rather than insurmountable obstacles. Stay organized, yet open. While organization is key to time management, leave room for spontaneity and last-minute changes. It's like having a well-packed suitcase, but leaving a little space for souvenirs. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Being flexible and adaptable can sometimes be stressful. Techniques like mindfulness can help you stay calm and focused, even in the midst of change. Flexibility and adaptability are not just buzzwords, they are essential skills in today's fast-paced world. By embracing these qualities, you can navigate both your professional and personal life with more ease and less stress. So, let's all practice bending a little. It can be quite fun, you know. Remember, the more flexible and adaptable you are, the better you can ride the waves of life. Keep surfing, keep smiling, and see where these wonderful skills take you. Here's to finding that perfect balance.